How do you use Microsoft Visual Studio? This is a quick guide to use the IDE for developing applications. So first, from the installer, you will need to get the required languages that you want to use for your applications. So for example, C++, and all you need to do is start by creating a new project. Click on Create New Project. Now from the drop down here, select the language that you want to use and the platform, for example, Windows. And also you can select the project type, whether it's desktop, and then you can click on the Windows Desktop Wizard if you want to, or you can just make an empty project and then click on Next, and this should guide you through the setup process for the project. For example, you can call it Test Project if you want to give it a name, and then press Create, and then click on Empty Project and choose the application type. For example, console, desktop, DLL, or static library. I'm gonna keep it console and press OK. And that should create your project in Visual Studio and load it up. Now you can start by adding files and classes to your project. So for example, if you're using C++, what you need to do is right click here and then click on Add and New Item. And then you can add a file, for example, main.cpp, and then press Add. And since this is a console application, when you run it, it will bring out a console window. So you can type sample code, for example, like include IO stream, which is the input and output stream, and then define the main function for the console app and have it print hello world when you run it. And now what you need to do is press on the run button here to start without debugging, or you can press F5 to start with the debugger or the button here, and that should run the application. And as you can see here, it brings out this window which prints hello world, which is defined in our code. And you can also build your project by right clicking on it and then click on build, which will produce an executable file if you're building a console or Windows application. And usually F5 to run with the debugger and Control F5 to run without the debugger, or you can use these buttons here. And to debug your project, you want to simply press a breakpoint here by clicking next to the line number on the left side, or press F9 on the line to toggle a breakpoint, and then start with the debugger, and that should pause when it hits the breakpoint, and then you can step through your code to debug specific parts of your code. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.